Okay guys, welcome to the 10th and last chapter of how to make a game. Last time we basically finished the game. We have the menu, we have the actual game going on, and I have 20,000 points because I'm a cheater. And not the ape, but the cheating kind of game guy. Okay, so anyways. This is basically on how everything I wanted to show you with regard to that game. Now you may have problems with following up there, and this is odd. Let me just adjust my tablet settings. Okay, so apparently there is... oh no, oh it works, oh nice, okay. So I thought there's a problem with my tablet driver, but I guess somehow it works now. Okay, so maybe, okay, I still can't get higher than this, obviously. Now I can. Okay, that's really strange. Apparently, or no, some of you, okay, this is really messed up, sorry, I don't know. Apparently some of you may have now problems to follow up with their own game idea on that. So what I can give you is kind of a perspective on how to do other things now. So if you think about what you want to do next. So let's see, you have the screen here, and basically now you know everything you need to know to make a game there. So if you want to make let's say a side-scrolling Mario-like game, so you would have the ground here, and maybe it goes up and something like this, and you have boxes here and here. And you have enemies which are moving like that, and you have to jump up here, and you have a block where you have to jump over. So basically, all the things you need to know, you already know. So what you do know is how to draw this thing here. You have multiple options on doing that, like just use little squared pieces you can put together to make a ground, or or just use one giant bitmap. You can, or just one giant texture you can apply there. Then you need to check the ground here. So make a variable for each sector. Like you just say here, this is S1, this is S2, this is S3, and then you say, okay, for make a table or something, or some kind of data for your level. So you say, okay, on S1 the height is 300, and there it is maybe 500, and then you just have to say, okay, my character can't go when this is your character here. He can't go below 300, and then he just stops moving. And then you have your basic collision going on, as well as basic intersection between two 2D rectangles. You should be able to figure that out, as well as the boxes here. You can do basic 2D rectangle intersection to check if you're jumping against it, and then you can check if you're basically under it or beneath it, so that you just trigger it if you under it. Then you can do walk animations, but walk animations are a bit sophisticated, because you would have to use a sprite sheet. So you create a texture, and you create little other things there, so little subtextures there where your character is moving. So it would look like this. You have the let me just draw that again. So just as an example, you have little images here. On the first, maybe the guy is looking like this, and then you are just moving his hands a bit and his legs a bit. Okay, now he's falling, obviously, and then you can make the next one. Oh no, his foot should be somewhere here. So just that you get over the time a walk animation there, and then you remember that we had the source parameter for the draw function. So draw source, and then you just set the source to this image, and in the next frame set the source to that image, and so on. So this is the basic method of getting animations to work. Yeah, and then you have basically a point system. You can just increase some variables for that, and create objects for or classes for the enemies and classes for the boxes. And now everything is screwed up here. So this is something you could do, which is it's not quite easy, but still take this as a challenge. Create some level in Paint, or since I'm having really trouble using Paint right now, so I would say use something else. But just try to create a level here, and somewhere, I don't know, some level. As a picture, and put that into your game. Just try to get the collision to work, and you really have to. Let me just throw away what. No, don't keep this in the editor. So first of all, if you let's say you want to make a side-scrolling game like this. So what you could do is first of all get a level texture. Okay, so basically. I will give you this exercise for now. So exercise, is it written like that? I don't know. Okay, so first step, you create a level texture. Second step, I mean just do something simple with a little bit of green in there, and you know. Okay, so then. Create a character image. It doesn't have to move. It's just a dummy, like a stick figure or something. And then you get the collision to work. Oh no! First, let me see. You need, first of all, you need a movement model. So and you should do that with velocity, like we did for the units, and acceleration. So if you already know how to use the keyboard, so on arrow right. Oh no, let's take this WSAD. Increase acceleration, and then increase velocity based on the acceleration. So this is basic physics. You have to know this kind of stuff, or else look in the school book or something. How to acceleration and velocity are matched together. So you know how to move your character then. You also can just say create or just interpret the WSAD movements directly into velocity without going through acceleration. But acceleration is a great thing of making things feel smooth. Then you have your little character moving, and maybe if you want to jump, giving him impulse in Y, or I guess it's momentum in English, in Y direction, so that he is jumping, and then get collision to work. Collision. So you ground blocking. So you check if your stick figure is on the ground, or if it's above the ground, or if it's hitting something else. And then you have something like this level here, which looks something like this. Maybe you have probably a bit more beautiful because you're not drawing with your mouse there, or a bit more emphasis on doing that. And you have little nice green stuff here. So let me just make it that way. Oh, and it should be this. Okay, so this is the grass, and it looks really nice. And you have your little stick figure there. So it's here, and it's green because it's ill. And you can move around, and you get blocked by this, and you can already jump on it, so you have the jump, the collision from that box, and so you have your guy here, and maybe you can't get over it because it's too high and stuff. So get objects for everything, create classes for everything, check if it's intersecting, check if it's not intersecting. By the way, just as a hint, you have the option of if you have a rectangle, it has actually an intersect method, and you can get another rectangle in there. So or yes, basically. So you can use that. So there are already collision things you can use for X and A. And then you create enemies. Maybe you can kill them if you jump on them and not run against them. So you have to check the velocity and the relation of the both positions and stuff. And then you can get coins or points. I don't know, something like that. And finishing the level. Can you actually finish the level? And just go on from there. So you got only your imagination is stopping you. You probably know everything you need to know. If you don't know, send me an email to circles, I guess, at live.de. It's not .com, it's .de because I'm from Germany, as you probably have heard from my accent. And maybe I find the time to help you on that. So this is really the things you just need to do to get a game working. So you know how to draw stuff, you know how intersections work, so you know everything you need to know. And if you don't start doing something, then you're probably just lazy and I don't know, just start doing it. I just started it anyways, and I just wanted a good game for my phone, since I got a new Windows phone. By the way, if someone has a Lumia 800 to spare, I would love taking it because it's an awesome phone. But anyways, I got my new phone, and I was quite bummed that I would need to pay to get a new game. So I just started writing one, and this started to be Hexcrit, one of my games, or the games I'm working on. And then I just finished Circles, and it just going from there. Just start making games because you love it, and if you don't, then maybe it's just not the right thing to do. But I hope you learned something. Let me just give you. So this is the Facebook site of Circles, and this is some random thing in there. So just if you like the game, if you like the tutorial, just go on Circles. It's circlesthegame.com. Facebook.com/circlesthegame, obviously. Like it. I would be more than glad to actually see you liking it and following me there. I will post on updates here, and I have some photos of the game, and I will post them if I have something new or updates coming up. I have a little more sophisticated upgrade menu right here. So I would really love if you are just following me on that. And I hope you learned anything. I hope you learned something. And I hope you had fun as well. And yes, thank you for watching this. Maybe I will do something else, like a tutorial like that, maybe even on this game here. Just give me something, some sort of feedback on how you liked it, or if you liked it, or if you found this horrible because of me screwing up, me talking funny, or I don't know. Anyways, I really had fun doing this, even though it has been quite a challenge for me. Yeah, but thank you again for watching, and see you around.